these are infested with aphids, so I'm going to spray them with the hose. Those are my bush beans and my runner beans. These are mistakes. Look how freaking long these are. I have frost for 3 more weeks. Mistakes! It's fine. In theory, I only have to keep these in the house for 2 more days. But so I'm going to start hardening them off right now. So I'm going to give them some time outside. I'm also going to spray them down with the hose because we've got aphids for days. And these were getting burned up by the lights inside. Because that is my life. But it is too cold to put them outside for 2 more days because we have threat of frost. But after that, the weather says we won't have frost. It keeps saying that, which is why I keep starting things that are inappropriate to start. Because the weather keeps lying to me. But I wanted to just give a little update on this planter. This was the weird thing that I hacked together because they don't have vertical planters here. And I've repotted or replanted the beets that were in here and some things that died because we had weird frosts. But everything is doing okay. I think I need to move that because this is now getting shaded out. But yeah, like things are happening. Things are totally happening. I need to harvest some of these leaves. And this greenhouse, I don't even want to know what happened back there, but it's still working. Everything in here is still alive, even with the frosts that we've been getting, because this is up against the house, so it acts as a heat sink. I have tomatoes in here that are still alive for now. We'll see. It's supposed to be -2 Celsius tonight, which is about 28. But yeah, broad beans, beets, brassicas. It's just raining inside. It's fine. And then these are my radishes that blew off because we had really bad windstorm the other day, and these are not secured, so they just flipped. And when they flipped, they crashed on here. Not too much damage, but all this soil used to be in these starts. These starts used to have things to them that were awesome. Oh, that is just not water leaching out to its friends, but it's fine. It's fine. There are worse things to happen. It's fine. This is why I just start too many things. And we were getting radishes. We were just getting ready to harvest radishes. Some of them were bulbing up, like this guy. Right, like it's getting there. Just starting to bulb up when everything flipped over. Because, yeah. So my solution is I'm going to zip tie these down to here so that these are stable and secure and a part of the frame. So just make sure those are secure. Because, yeah, cheapo. It's already breaking. I need to like duct tape and fix this. But it was like $50 and it's working well enough. And it gave me a place for that. And that is doing awesome. So like I can't be mad about how things are going when that is working. And the best beets I have in the whole, like in any of my planting spaces, are in that weird thing that I made out of plumbing pieces. So my beets are growing best in plumbing ducts and exchanges than they are in any of my beds, and yeah, the best beets are there. So just try stuff. Experiments. Vertical gardening. Got potato towers and planters that I'm gonna turn into vertical gardening. It's happening. It's finally happening. We have vertical gardening. Yeah, I need a water in here. Things are thirsty. Food does not go bad in my house. It just becomes next year's plant. Look at these. These are potatoes that I grew last year that shitted themselves. I'm real glad I bought those potato towers. Also, yay! That's the plan. It doesn't have dirt in it yet, so it's not stable and I can't plant it. But that's the plan. So much dirt. So many containers. Potatoes! Okay, I'm going to stop being a weirdo and get to planting. A teaser for tomorrow. I planted this all out. Most of this. There's still some things I need to put in the ground, but that's okay. Vertical gardening in the greenhouse, not just buckets on the ground.